Maintaining a healthy digestive system is crucial for overall well being, and the foods we eat play a significant role in supporting the health of both the large and small intestines. A healthy diet can help promote proper digestion, reduce inflammation, and prevent various digestive disorders. Certain foods can help keep the small intestine, which is responsible for nutrient absorption, and the large intestine, which aids in water absorption and waste elimination, functioning properly. 1. Fiber-rich foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains. Fiber is essential for both the large and small intestines. For the large intestine, fiber helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. It also provides fuel for beneficial gut bacteria, which can improve gut health and reduce inflammation. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains like apples, carrots, oats, and beans are excellent sources of soluble and insoluble fiber that help maintain a healthy digestive system. In the small intestine, fiber slows down digestion, aiding in nutrient absorption and preventing conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. 2. Yogurt and fermented foods. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and other fermented foods are packed with probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. These probiotics help maintain a balance of good bacteria in both the small and large intestines. In the small intestine, probiotics improve the absorption of nutrients and help prevent an imbalance of gut bacteria, which can lead to digestive issues. In the large intestine, probiotics help prevent conditions like inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, by promoting a healthy gut microbiome. They also support the immune system and can help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. 3. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, collard greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them excellent for digestive health. For the large intestine, the fiber in leafy greens helps promote regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. It also supports the growth of healthy gut bacteria. In the small intestine, leafy greens provide essential nutrients like folate and vitamin K, which are crucial for overall gut health. Additionally, the antioxidants in leafy greens help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, supporting both intestines. 4. Ginger has been used for centuries to soothe digestive issues, and it's particularly beneficial for the small intestine. It helps stimulate the production of bile, which is necessary for digesting fats, and it can reduce bloating and indigestion. In the large intestine, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce symptoms of IBS and other inflammatory conditions. Ginger also promotes peristalsis, the wave-like muscle contractions that move food through the digestive system, helping maintain a healthy digestive flow. 5. Bananas. Bananas are easy to digest and are great for both the small and large intestines. They contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps regulate digestion and supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. In the small intestine, bananas help soothe and regulate the digestive process, making them an excellent food for individuals with digestive discomfort. For the large intestine, bananas help prevent constipation by adding bulk to stool and aiding in the elimination of waste. 6. Oats are an excellent source of soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which has multiple benefits for the intestines. For the small intestine, the soluble fiber in oats helps slow digestion and nutrient absorption, giving the body more time to absorb essential vitamins and minerals. In the large intestine, oats help maintain regular bowel movements by absorbing water and adding bulk to stool. The fiber in oats also helps balance the gut microbiome, supporting a healthy balance of bacteria in both the small and large intestines. 7. Apples. Apples are a great source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, making them beneficial for the digestive system. For the small intestine, the soluble fiber in apples helps regulate the absorption of nutrients and stabilize blood sugar levels. In the large intestine, the insoluble fiber in apples helps promote bowel regularity and prevent constipation. Apples are also rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract and support overall gut health. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can help support both the small and large intestines. In the small intestine, turmeric can help reduce inflammation and promote the healing of damaged tissue. It also supports the absorption of nutrients and may help prevent digestive conditions like leaky gut syndrome. In the large intestine, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can reduce symptoms of inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and help calm inflammation in conditions like ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. 9. Carrots. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene and soluble fiber, which are beneficial for both the small and large intestines. For the small intestine, carrots help promote healthy digestion and nutrient absorption due to their fiber content. They also contain antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress in the gut. In the large intestine, the fiber in carrots helps promote regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and supporting gut health by providing nourishment for beneficial bacteria. 10. Olive oil. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is a great choice for maintaining a healthy digestive system. In the small intestine, olive oil helps stimulate the secretion of bile, which is essential for the digestion and absorption of fats. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce irritation in the digestive tract. In the large intestine, olive oil helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation by lubricating the intestines and aiding in the smooth passage of stool. By incorporating these 10 foods into your daily diet, you can support the health of both your small and large intestines. Fiber-rich foods, fermented foods, and anti-inflammatory ingredients like ginger and turmeric can promote healthy digestion, improve nutrient absorption, reduce inflammation, and prevent common digestive disorders like constipation, IBS, and IBD. Taking care of your digestive system is key to overall health, and these foods can help ensure that your intestines function optimally, keeping you feeling your best.